We're here in Salmon Huckleberry Wilderness, mountain area of Oregon. We're hiking on the Salmon River West Trail. Hiking beside beautiful Salmon River. Today is May 11th, 2022. It is spring. No snow, no ice. Perfectly accessible. Due to our low elevation, starting at 1,600 feet, going to 2,600 feet, this has actually been accessible for quite a while. I'm kind of late coming in May. This would probably be a very suitable March or April hike. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Stop and pin around here. Oh my gosh. This is pretty awesome. We're hiking through a proper rainforest. This is an old growth rainforest, Salmon Huckleberry Wilderness. One other observation I'll make is this trail is very rocky. Kind of got to watch your step. Don't want to slip and crack my head on the rock. That would be suboptimal. So very interesting. Does the trail continue to go up there, or does the trail go down there? I am not sure. This is my first time being here. But seeing as the lower path requires me to do a river crossing, I'm going to stay in the high ground and see how that treats me. Part of the fun of wilderness adventuring, and we're literally actually in a wilderness today, is you don't necessarily know where to go. This seems to be working. Definitely need to be sure-footed because I'm just walking on rocks at this point. Trying to pay attention, and this was the correct way. I'm glad I didn't attempt to cross that river for no reason. Maybe that's a pro tip. Whenever you get to an intersection, stop and really think about it and think about the path of least resistance, and always try that first. That's what I did in that case, and was rewarded because I didn't have to cross the river, which I could have done, but I don't want to do it. It looked kind of deep and maybe ankle or farther, and it is around freezing, so I want to get myself all wet to start my day. I'd say this is a pretty interesting hike so far, hiking through Old Growth Rainforest. Done a lot of river hikes so far this year. My strategy is to do the river hikes in spring to save the summer slots for the mountain alpine hiking. I've done Metolius, I've done Deschutes, I've done White's Creek, I've done the Mackenzie River. Now I'm doing Salmon River. So I guess this is my 5th river I'm hiking beside this spring so far. I think they're maybe 5 of the best flowing river/creeks in Oregon. This definitely has an old growth rainforest feel to it. The trail is very rocky. A lot of precipitation in this area, very rainy area. Makes sense. That's what makes it a rainforest. This does not have the feel to me of a shoreline trail. So if you're looking for a shoreline experience, this may not be the area for you. Gotta watch my step here. Across a little bit of a flowing water. Kind of interesting how many little flowing sections there are through the trail. A lot of rainfall in this area, a lot of creeks, and a lot of water trying to make its way down to the river. You go through a lot of little dripping flood creek areas, but so far they all feel pretty safe and easy to do. I haven't felt like anything was sketch. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is gorgeous. We're here in Salmon Huckleberry Wilderness, Old Growth Rainforest, enjoying this beautiful national wild and scenic river, Salmon River, on the West Salmon River Trail, a beautiful long trail that overlooks, winds and weaves and shorelines this incredible Salmon River. This area is beautiful. I wanted to stop and show all these gnarly rainforesty moss trees. Look at this. This is pretty epic. This is part of the incredible vegetation you get here in Salmon Huckleberry Wilderness. Not only that, but this is an epic river hike. Salmon River, National Wild and Scenic River, mountain area.